Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share tweets on Instagram stories. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you're someone who likes to share tweets on your Instagram stories, then I'm sure your phone's photo gallery is full of tweet screenshots. Well, that is about to be a thing of the past as Twitter now lets you add tweets to Instagram stories with ease. If you want to learn how to do that, it's so simple. You can watch this video. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Twitter or X. Now you can choose the tweet that you want to share to your Instagram stories. For example, I will choose this one. Oh, wait, I will choose this one. You can tap on the share icon. You can tap on the share icon on the tweet here. And you'll see there is an option like WhatsApp, messaging, newsfeed, your group, Facebook, and there is Instagram stories. Because you want to share this to your Instagram stories, you can just tap on Instagram stories and you will be automatically go to your Instagram. You can change the background like this. You can add music or you can also add captions and filters. After you finish, you can just tap on your story. You can wait until the story has been uploaded. And here you go. Here's the tweet that you just shared to your stories. When you when someone tap on the story, on the tweet, they can see the tweet from the Twitter app. So that is how to share tweets on your Instagram stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.